So what's up, guys? This is SMG for Live01 coming in with another unboxing. It's all the, I'm guessing, starters of it's starter Pegasus, it's Black Face, Aquario, and Wolf. I bought this for, I think it was £17, but I'll give you a link in the description to show you who I bought it from, and yeah, and just buy some stuff. And then it comes with a string launcher, is another reason why I bought it. So it's made by Takara, and so yes, I'm just going to unbox it now. So you can see the pieces inside there, and stickers and stuff. So I'm not sure which, that's for Aquario, most likely. Yep, it's Aquario. Here is the Wolf. This is a 4-layer, so it's four parts. Here is the right spin string launcher, which I'm going to use my black thingy. What's it called? Everything's all locked up, so I'm going to unlock it. So, sorry about the movement. Here is Pegasus. This is in the game as well. Pegasus. And I'd have to put no stickers on here. Yeah, so it's black. So I need to get out the rest of the stuff. And then here's the Wolf. Whatever you guys call it. The face bolt. So here are all the pieces. So I have to cut everything. There's all the pieces. So Pegasus will have this HF whole flat. It's basically the same as El Drago from a previous video. Then there's Wolf with the sharp flat, I think. Let me check. Face bolt, semi-flat, and Aquario's flat. These I'm going to use for not just these Beyblades, I'm going to use it for my other ones. So let's just get to putting what's his face? Let me get my so that is what's his face? Pegasus. I'm not sure which one it is, starter or booster. So it gives you all the instructions at the back here. And so I just have to put stickers. So each sticker is from that's from Pegasus, that's Wolf, and that's Aquario. So I'm just going to put the stickers on and get back to you guys and show you the 3 in action. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back for some more Beyblade action. I'm going to start with Aquario. It's just Aquario, 4-layer Aquario, and it's going to be against Pegasus. Wolf is the last dude standing. So I just want to show you guys this. I'm getting. I'm not getting any more for now. Well, that I know of. All I'm getting is a new string launcher, which I bought from eBay as well. And just remember, if you want to get these cheap, if you're from London and you know that it's kind of cheap to buy a Beyblade, then just go for it, because Leo Toy is the best. Because he sent, I bought this, which was like $16, I think, and plus the postage, I think it was $21, which is about £17, and then on top was the El Drago, and he gave me a $5 discount, so it was pretty good. Yeah, so that's all I've got to say to you guys, apart from these will be used in the tournament and maybe win the tournament for me. So that's it. So peace, love and respect, my people.